we go on Booster Max for the first ever time. This thing's massive. Bye! Oh God! Oh no!
I didn't know we went backwards.
Yeah, I said we wanted to go the other way so we could see the frontierland. Oh my God!
I forgot how scary this was.
Bro, what the hell? Oh!
Oh, it's pretty there.
You're live on Big Brother, do not swear. Oh my God. Oh no! There's only 3 of us on one side.
No. Oh no.
You alright, Brandon?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, this is crazy.
No, I don't like
This is
it.
crazy high.
Scary, isn't it, Bob?
Give him a view of Morecambe.
View of Morecambe, right, there you go. There's the bay. So like I said, this used to be the super swimming stadium. Oh my God, we're going. Oh no! Marineland used to be over there. There's the Midlands and Frontierland as well. Oh! Bye! Ah! Send it! Innit, Brandon?
Innit? Let's
Send
go.
it! Oh my God!
When we start flipping upside down.
I don't know. We might not because it's.
I don't want to.
Yeah, there's only 3 of us, so I doubt we will.
Yeah. I wish this restraint was a bit tighter. It's a bit loose. Oh no! Ah! Here we go! No, no, no. Oh,
Yeah.
it's not going. Ah! Ah!
Here we go!
Ah! Oh no! What am I doing?
We're gonna flip!
Ah! Oh no! Oh my God!
Booster Max!
Ah, Booster Max! Ah! Oh my God, what am I doing?
Look at that view of Morecambe when we're
What view? Ah! Woo! Ah! I don't like it! Ah! Oh my God! Ah!
It's still going!
Yeah! Oh no! Woo! Oh my God, this thing's insane! Ah! Oh, my hair's blowing everywhere! Ah! We're upside down! Ah! Woo!
No hands!
Ah! No hands! Woo! We've got an audience down here, and they're all like, "Oh my God, Coaster Crazy's on that ride!" Ah! Oh my God, it's going faster! Ah! Oh my God!
Proper long one. This has got to be at least a 5-minute ride.
Nearly 4 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, 8 tokens a ride.
8 tokens a ride, you get
Yeah.
your money's worth.
You do get your money's worth. Oh my God! Oh. Does it go the other way?
I'm not sure.
Ah! You alright, Bo?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, she's good.
She's hard.
She's well hard. She's from Derby. No, Derby. Derby.
Derby.
Derby. No, it's Derby, isn't it, Brandon?
Stop us at the top. It's Derby.
It's Derby. Woo! I think that's it.
We went round many times.
Oh, I wanted to stop at the top.
Booster Max, Taylor's Funfair.
Yeah, that was well good. My hair's a mess now. Woo! Booster Max.
Booster Max.
Yeah, nearly 5 minutes until how was that, Brandon?
That was awesome.
Good that.
Good.
Well, my hair's a mess. How was that, Bo?
Good.
Good. That was awesome, that.
It's one of them gems.